Welcome to the social science class, children. And today we are going to start with a new topic, Mumbai. Yes, everyone knows about Mumbai. Whenever we talk about Mumbai, what comes to our mind? Arabian Sea. Yes, so let's talk about chapter 15, Mumbai. So, when we talk about Mumbai, can you see the map of India? On this map, we can see the different states which are there in India, and among them, we are going to talk about the state that is Maharashtra, because Mumbai lies in Maharashtra. So, now, first state is, let us talk. Mumbai is one of the biggest and the busiest city in India. It is the capital of Maharashtra. Earlier, it was called Bombay. It is also called the financial capital of India. Financial capital of India means the capital, the city, the state, or any country which gives the maximum returns or where the people living there earns the more money, or their earning, their lifestyle is much more comfortable than others. Now, let us talk about the location of Mumbai. If we see the political map of India, children, we know that Mumbai lies on the western part of India. Yes, and it faces towards the Arabian Sea. Or we can say it is located on the western coast of India in Maharashtra state. Fine. One more very important thing is that earlier the Mumbai was called as Old Bombay or Bombay, and the new name is Mumbai. So now let's talk about the sea. What is that financial capital? Where the more industries are there, we have institutions, we have film industry. So all together make the Mumbai as a financial capital of India. Now, if we see, you can see through this PPT that this is Arabian Sea and Mumbai faces the Arabian Sea. Now, the historical background of the Mumbai. Earlier, Mumbai was a group of 7 islands, namely Mahim, Worli, Parel, Mazagaon, Bombay, Little Colaba, and Colaba. These islands were under the Portuguese control, but in 1661, these came under the control of the British. Yes, it's nice to hear because all these islands, if you see this map of Mumbai, see, all these are islands and they are all located here. You can mark Mahim is here, Bombay is here, Mazagaon is there. We have Little Colaba as well as the Colaba. Now, when we talk about Mumbai, Mumbai has its own history because when we say, because every city, every country, I always say, has its own history, has its own events which make that or mark that city very important. In 1947, Bombay was declared a state with its capital at Bombay. And children, later on, it was divided into Maharashtra and Gujarat. Fine. Otherwise, Maharashtra and Gujarat was one, whereas it was divided into Maharashtra and Gujarat. So, what is actually the fact about Mumbai? The fact about Mumbai is Bombay became the capital of Bombay Presidency in 1819. And children, when we talk about the climate of Mumbai, when we talk about the climate of Mumbai, children, we know that Mumbai has a moderate climate as it is near the sea coast. What do we mean by the moderate climate? Moderate climate means the climate is neither very hot nor very cold, and definitely it is near the sea coast. Yes, if you see the map of Mumbai, as I told you earlier also, it faces the Arabian Sea. And if you see the map of India, see this part of it is the sea coast. Yes, it is the sea coast where the Mumbai lies. That is why Mumbai is near the sea coast, we say, and faces the Arabian Sea. That is the reason the climate of Mumbai is moderate, which is neither too hot nor very cold. Fine. Now, let us talk about the worth visiting places of Mumbai. So, when we talk about the worth visiting places of Mumbai, we always have a dream to visit to Mumbai, children, because it's a city of dreams. And when you go there, you visit so many places. So, most of Mumbai's have important buildings like schools, hotels, cinemas, and museums are there. So, when we say that about the Mumbai, that the we talk about the Mumbai, that the we have located the older parts. There are many tourists in Mumbai. Tourists come from far and near to enjoy the beaches and nightlife here, children. Fine. So that is the reason why the people love to visit Mumbai. Because here, if you move at night also, the city does not sleep, we say. It hardly sleeps for 2 hours, from 2 to 4. Even the local trains of the Mumbai runs from 4 a.m. early in the morning. So now, the gateway of India first. If you see the picture here, that is, the look at the picture, children, given below here. Okay, and it is the gateway of India, which was built by whom? Which was built to welcome the British king. Who is that British king? British king, that is your King George V and Queen Mary, who visited India in 1911. Yes, to welcome them, this gateway of India was constructed, or you can say built by us, so that the king can be welcomed by this. So that is said the gateway to India. It is gate to enter the India by the sea coast. Okay. And even you can see the statues of Chhatrapati Shivaji, children, and Swami Vivekanand near the gateway of India. If you see the image, he is none other than Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj of Mumbai, who ruled Maharashtra. Or then we have Swami Vivekanand. We all are aware about the great philosopher Swami Vivekanand. Not only these few places, Mumbai has other also places, or we can say the other places of interest are there in Mumbai. So, other places are the sea beaches. Mumbai is famous for the sea beaches of Juhu and Chowpatty. You will really love that place whenever you visit the Mumbai, children. The Prince of Wales Museum, Nehru Planetarium, the Hanging Gardens, Essel's World, and the Boat House. These are the few places which you, whenever you visit to Mumbai, children, you will definitely enjoy the places of this Mumbai. Fine. Like the Juhu Beach. Can you see the image of Juhu Beach? Wow. What a beach it is. You will really enjoy. When you go there, you find such a beautiful place it is. And then Prince of Wales Museum, where it is museum where you have all the records, historical things which are there in this museum. Nehru Planetarium is there, where you can talk about the universe. The Hanging Garden. Yes, it's a hanging garden. It is hanged on the mountain, and then you will enjoy that. Essel World, definitely for the children. Children always love to be at the Essel World and enjoy their time. Then comes the Boot House. So when we talk about the Boot House, it is the kind of sliding which the children always love to enter, and then they play with that. So children, in this chapter we have learned about the location of Mumbai. We have learned about what is the old name of Mumbai, that is Bombay. We have learned about that it is the financial capital of the country, or we can say the financial city of India, because number of industries, institutions are there in India, in Mumbai, sorry. And secondly, it is the one of the major city of Maharashtra. Fine. And secondly, we know that as per the historical background, we have learned that the Mumbai was called basically a group of 7 islands. Yes, and these islands were under the control of Portuguese. Fine. And definitely through the map of India, we know that Mumbai is one of the major state of India. So with this, I end up my session. And one more very important thing about Mumbai, whenever you get a chance to visit a Mumbai, children, always enjoy that place because you have number of things. You can meet number of people, variety of people in Mumbai because it is a city where the people comes there to have a successful dream in their life. So with that, I end up. Thank you, children.